A very happy morning, students. Welcome back to English class. In today's session, we will enjoy the next part of the lesson along the yellow brick road. Let's see what happened in the last part of the story before moving forward. Here is the recap. As we have seen in the last videos that Dorothy is carried away from her town, Kansas, to the magical land of Oz by a storm. Now she is going to see the great Oz. Oz is a magician. So that Oz would help her to return back to her town. On the way, she is joined by Scarecrow. One morning, Dorothy and Scarecrow came by a spring. Suddenly they heard a deep groan from the forest. When they went closer, they found a man made of tin, with an axe in his hand. Tin Man was groaning as his joints were rusted and he was unable to move at all. Dorothy got an oil can and oiled his neck as well as joints. Tin Man thanked Dorothy and Scarecrow for their help and asked them how they came there. Now let's see what happens after this. Children, as we have completed the 2 pages of lesson, page number 18 and 19. Yes? Now look at the page number 20. On the last page, when Tin Man asked Dorothy and Scarecrow, how did they happen to be here? On this, Dorothy replied. Now look at the page number 20, first line. Dorothy replied, we are on our way to the Emerald City to see the great Oz. The yellow brick road led us to this place. What Dorothy said, we both are going to see the great Oz. Oz is a magician and he lives at the Emerald City. So we are going to the Emerald City to meet the great Oz. And this yellow brick road will take us to that place. Why do you wish to see Oz? Asked Tin Man. Why do you want to meet him? I want him to send me back to Kansas, and Scarecrow wants Oz to gift him some brains, she said. Why they are going to see the great Oz? What Dorothy answered, I will ask Oz to send me back to my town, Kansas. As we have seen, Dorothy is carried away to this magical land of Oz by a storm. And now she wants to go back to her town. So what she said, I will go and meet Oz and ask him to send me back to my town, Kansas, and Scarecrow wants some brains. As he doesn't have brain, children, you know, Scarecrow is made of grass. So here he wants brains for him. Yes. Tin Man thought for a few moments and said, do you suppose Oz could give me a heart? Now Tin Man wishing here to have a heart to him. As Dorothy wants to go back to her town, Kansas back. Yes. And Scarecrow wants some brains for him, and Tin Man is wishing to have a heart to him. Yes. On this, Dorothy answered, I guess so. Yes, why not? I think he would fulfill your wish. He would give you heart. It would be as easy as to give the Scarecrow brains. As he would give brains to Scarecrow, in the same way he would give you heart. True, said Tin Man. If you will allow me to join your party, I will go to the Emerald City and ask Oz for my wish. What Tin Man said, if you will allow me, if you both are ready, so I can join your party. Party means group. Meaning is given there down the text. If you both allow me, I can join your party, I can join your group, and I will go to the Emerald City and ask Oz for my wish. What is his wish? To have a heart. Yes, Tin Man wants a heart. So what is it? To Scarecrow and Dorothy, if you allow me, I can join your group and I will also come with you to the Emerald City and will ask a heart for me. On this, Dorothy and Scarecrow said, "Come along," said Dorothy and Scarecrow cheerfully. Cheerfully means happily. They both said, "Yes, come along with us." And with that, the three started marching towards the Emerald City. Marching means walking with the regular steps, means without stopping. And in this way, these three started walking towards the Emerald City as all three want to meet Great Oz. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood the story. So, what did we learn in the story? We have seen how Dorothy quickly came to Tin Man's help when she saw him suffering. So, we must help those who are in pain and do our best to make them feel better. Yes, students? Now there is homework for you. Learn the meanings given in textbook. All these meanings are given in textbook. You have to learn them. Spring means a pool created by fresh running water. Thoughtfully, thinking carefully and quietly. Troublesome, something that causes worry. Groan, a long deep sound made because of pain. Discovered, found something suddenly or by chance. Stir, move, was moved by, felt pity for. Joints, parts of body where two bones are joined together that help us move or bend. Rusted, damaged by reddish brown substance formed by the effect of air or water on metal. Gave a sigh of relief, suddenly felt happy when the suffering ended. Grateful means being thankful for someone's help. And party means here group. And the second homework is you have to read the lesson carefully. Okay, children? Now here we will stop. Here we have completed the explanation part of this lesson. In the next session we will write question answers of this. Till then, learn the meanings and read the lesson. Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead.